So next topic of first chapter is register transfer language, that is RTL. RTL basically provides a symbolic representation of micro operations performed between the registers of a microprocessor. So it basically indicates the behavior of the instructions. For example, if we write R3, then arrow towards R3 and R2. Okay, so this symbol, it represents that the data is being transferred from register R2 to R3. Okay, it indicates that R2 is the source of data and R3 is the destination of data. Okay. So this is RTL representation of the data transfer operation. Okay. It can also be represented as R3 column equal to R1. Okay. So both the representations, both the symbols define the same operation, micro operation, that is data transfer operation. Okay. For example, in microprocessor 8085, we write move A, comma B. Okay. So as per the instruction, here the register B acts as source of data and A as the destination of data. So it indicates transfer of data from register B to A. So in RTL notation, this instruction can be represented as A colon is equal to B, or A arrow from B to A. Okay, so this is RTL representation of instruction move A comma B. Okay, so if we represent it in say block diagram, then we can write it as a this is a register R2, this is register R3. Okay. So data transfer from R2 to R3 will take place on receiving a clock signal. Say this is a clock signal. Okay. So whenever the system, whenever this block receives an active clock signal from a source, then the data transfer from R2 to R3 will take place. Okay. So we can write this clock as R3 colon is equal to R2. Okay. Okay. Anyways, the data transfer operation you can write either by using this symbol, that is R3 R2 and arrow from R2 to R3, or R3 colon then is equal to R1. Okay. So this indicates data transfer operation. So this is an introduction to RTL. What is RTL? That is register transfer language. Okay. Next, we will discuss the micro operations which are performed in microprocessor and their RTL notations. We'll discuss RTL notations of different micro operations performed in microprocessors. Okay. So micro operations performed So, to complete execution of an instruction in microprocessor, the microprocessor goes through various types of microoperations. Okay? There can be more than one microoperation per instruction. Okay? To complete one instruction, the microprocessor can perform more than one microoperations. Okay? So the microoperations in microprocessors are classified as register transfer microoperations, register transfer microoperations, means the microoperations in which data transfer takes place from one register to another register. Okay, registered microoperations. Second category is arithmetic microoperations. Arithmetic microoperations. Okay. Third category is like in instruction set of microprocessor, we classify the instructions. Similarly, in RTL, the microoperations are classified. Logic microoperations or logical microoperations. Okay. And fourth one is shift microoperations. Okay. So these are four types of microoperations which we can represent by using RTL symbols. Okay. So now we will discuss the representation one by one. We'll start with, we have already discussed the register transfer operation. So register transfer operation, like it is, example is say R2, R1. So R1 arrow towards R2 means the contents of R1 are transferred to R2. Okay, and in most of the logical and arithmetic operations, the register transfer microoperations are also included. Okay, so this is an example. Second representation is that we have already discussed, R2 colon is equal to R1. Okay, now this arrow or this column with equal to sign indicates the data transfer operation. Okay, so left side you will write destination and the right side you will write source of data. Then comes arithmetic operation. So arithmetic operations 805 can perform addition and subtraction, increment and decrement. Okay, for example, if I write R5 is equal to R4 plus R3. Okay, now this plus indicates that the operation being performed is arithmetic operation. Okay, after performing the arithmetic operation, the information, the result is placed in R5. Okay, so the operation performed in this case is R3 plus R4 and the result is transferred to R5. Again, in this representation, this column equal to indicates the data transfer. Okay, okay, and in previous case, the data transfer it was performed from R1 to R2. Only R1 was considered. Now the source of data is R3 plus R4. Okay, after adding, the information is transferred to R5. Okay. We can also write representation, RTL representation for subtract operation. So it will be say R4 minus R3. So this time the difference of R4 and R3 will be transferred to R5. Okay. We can also write say R1 R1 colon is equal to R1 plus 1. Okay. So R1 is equal to R1 plus 1 and R1 is equal to R1 minus 1. Okay. So now these operations indicate, yes students, yes, क्या represent कर रहे हैं ये operations? R1 is equal to R1 plus 1, R1 is equal to R1 minus 1. Yes, क्या represent हो रहा है students इसमें?
Sir, increment and decrement.
Yes, increment and decrement operations. Okay. So arithmetic operations we can represent by using RTL is add, subtract, increment and decrement operations. Okay. Next comes logical operations. So 8085 microprocessor can perform logical operations like OR, then AND, logical operation, then XOR, logical operation, exclusive OR, okay, and one's complement, that is NOT operation. Okay. No doubt कि shift operations, these are also logical operations, but in this RTL representation, they are given different categories. Okay. The symbolic representation for OR, it is represented with this symbol. Okay. AND operation symbol is it's invert. XOR operation is represented with symbol. Okay. And NOT, it is represented with the register and a bar on it. Okay. Now we'll consider examples related to these operations. Okay, one thing I would like to add here, that is in arithmetic operation, one operation is subtract operation. Okay, so we can represent it as, that is R1 is equal to say R2 minus R3. Okay, this is one representation. Another, we will also write its second version, R1 is equal to. Okay, we will complete it after discussing the logical operations. Okay, so for example, we have to perform OR operation between two registers. One is say R1 and second is register R2. So logical OR operation is to be performed between these two registers. So this operation is performed bit by bit. After performing the operation, the result is to be stored in say R3. Okay. So its symbolic representation is R3 colon is equal to R1, then symbol of the operation. Okay. Now it is OR operation, logical OR operation. So after performing logical operation between R1 and R2, the result will be placed at R3. Similarly, we can write logical AND operation, symbolic representation of AND operation. We just symbol will change. Okay. Similarly, XOR operation is R1 is equal to R2, then symbol of XOR, then R3. So this is RTL representation of these instructions. Okay. Now complement NOT operation. Basically, NOT operation performs one's complement of a number. Okay. Suppose we have to perform one's complement of R1, and the result will be placed in R1. So it is represented as R1 is equal to R1 bar. So this is NOT representation. Okay. Now if we have to perform 2's complement of a number, suppose we have to perform 2's complement of R1, then it is represented as, this is 1's complement plus 1 increment. So this represents 2's complement of a number. Okay. Now let's come back to subtract operation. So in subtract operation, what we do, we perform R2, ठीक है, plus 2's complement of R3. Okay. So this is equivalent to R2 minus R3. Okay. So to perform subtraction with the help of adder circuit, we use 2's complement method. So RTL notation of subtract operation can also be like R2 plus R3 1's complement plus increment 1. So this is also representing subtract operation. Okay. Yes, students, is it clear till now? Any doubt you have?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर ये लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन समझा दो।
Yes, sorry.
सर जो लास्ट में आपने बताया हाँ
subtraction.
जी
Okay. Okay. So suppose here we consider an example to explain the concept. Say we have to perform subtraction of two numbers, binary numbers. One is say 4, 7, and second number is say 5, say A. Suppose we have to perform subtraction of 4, 7, and 5A. Okay. Here the method we use is we take 2's complement of second number. Okay. Because in microprocessor it's not possible to represent minus sign. So we use 2's complement system to represent negative numbers. Okay. So 5A, its binary equivalent is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. And A is 1, 0, 1, 0. To find 2's complement of this operation, first of all we take 1's complement, then add 1, it is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is 2's complement of 5A. Okay. So now instead of subtracting 5A from 47, we just add 4, 7 and 2 complement of 5 is, this is A 6. Okay. In both the cases you will find same result. Okay. By using calculator or by manual method, if you perform 4, 7 minus 5A and 4, 7 plus A6, you will find similar results. Okay. So in microprocessors, instead of using separate subtractor circuit, we make use of adder circuit with 2's complement method. So negative number we represent with 2's complement method. So suppose we have to perform operation subtract, say C. Okay. So this instruction represents A is equal to A minus C. Okay. After subtracting C from A, the result is placed in A. Okay. And now RTL notation for this circuit is A is equal to A minus C. Okay. This is one representation. We can also represent it in another way, that is by using 2's complement method. Okay. If we take 2's complement of C, minus C हम कैसे represent करते हैं? Minus C is 2's complement of C. Okay. In RTL it is written as C bar plus 1. Okay. So C bar is 1's complement. अगर किसी रजिस्टर का 2's complement आपने फाइंड करना है, first of all we take its 1's complement and then increment plus 1. Okay. Now 1's complement of C plus 1. So this RTL rotation can also be written as A is equal to A plus C 1's complement plus 1. But this represents 2's complement, that is minus C. Okay, अब दोनों ही सेम हो गए हैं, ऐसे भी आप इसे ले सकते हैं. Clear है students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts, students? Last category is shift microoperations. Next is shift microoperations. Further, shift microoperations are classified as logical shift, this is also called. Okay. Third is arithmetic shift. Arithmetic shift. Okay. So these are three types of shift operation. We consider 8-bit register. And say data available in this register is say 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. So now if we apply logical shift left, logical shift left, bits of this register will be shifted. Okay. And the new content will be now LSB D0, it will take the position of D1, and D1 will be shifted to D2, D2 will be shifted to D3, and so on up to D7. Okay. So D1 it will be shifted to D0 will be shifted to D1, it will 1, then D1 will take place of D2 0, and so on 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. And the vacant position, at the vacant position we write 0. Okay. 0 यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे. Okay. So if we apply say on same data, if we apply shift right operation, logical shift right, then the contents will be Now in left operation, D7 will be shifted to D6, D6 will be shifted to D5 and so on. So all the bits will be shifted in one position towards right. Okay, and the data will be now 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and the new position, that is vacant position, will be replaced with 0. Okay. So in logical shift operation, all the bits participate in the rotate operation, including sign bit. This is sign bit of the register. It also participates in the shift operation. Okay, clear, students? So symbolically, it is represented as, its symbol is this is a register. If we want to represent a logical shift operation, then say these are the bits of the register. Okay, this is bit D0 and this is a bit Dn minus 1. If it is an n bit register, then D0 is the LSB bit, Dn minus 1 is the MSB bit. Now shift right operation, it is represented as the 0 enters at through MSB bit, okay, and D0 will be, it will go out, that is, it will be lost. Okay, so this indicates logical shift right. Okay, similarly, logical shift left can be represented as symbolically these are the bits of the register. 0 will enter through D0 bit. And this is D elements 1 bit. If it is, if you are having say 8-bit register, then you will write D7 here like this. Okay, and D7 will be lost. So this is representation of logical shift operations. This is logical right shift. This is logical left shift. Okay, clear, students? Just from this symbol, one can understand the operation, micro-operation that is being performed by the microprocessor. From this symbol, we can judge that the operation being performed is logical shift right operation. Next is circular shift operation. It is very similar to logical shift operation. There is only one difference. If you consider 8-bit register, so it is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. We consider same register, same contents. Okay. Now logical shift, if it is say logical shift or rotate left, logical shift, circular shift left or rotate left, circular shift right or rotate right. Okay. Then shift operation is same as we discussed in logical shift. Okay. In logical shift, the last bit is lost, goes out of the register in logical shift. But in circular shift, last bit, it will be shifted to the vacant position. Okay, यहाँ पे जो vacant होएगा position, logical shift में हम यहाँ 0 place करते हैं, but in case of circular shift, in case of rotate operation, the last bit, that is MSB, will take place of LSB. Okay, and reverse is that in case of rotate right, the bits will be shifted towards right, and the LSB will be moved to MSB. Okay, and the new value of the register will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. This is a value of, which is transferred from MSB to the LSB. So its symbolic representation is this is register, this is LSB of the register, this is MSB of the register, and these are the in-between values. Okay. Now this arrow indicates left shift operation. Okay. And since it is circular shift, MSB will be shifted to vacant position. So this is symbolic representation of circular shift operation, circular left shift operation. Similarly, we can represent circular right shift operation. Okay? Clear, students? Okay. Next is arithmetic shift operation. Okay. So in arithmetic shift operation, the sign bit remains same. That is, sign bit is retained, and rest of the operation is similar to the logical shift and circular shift operation. Okay. Example is we consider 8-bit register with same contents. This 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So in this register, this MSB, it represents the sign bit. Okay. So in arithmetic shift operation, the sign bit, it is retained by the microprocessor, the sign bit remains same, and rest of the bits participate in shift operation. Okay. Suppose it is shift left operation, then shift operation will be like this. Okay. And this sign bit, it does not participate in the shift operation, and the new values will be so arithmetic shift we will be using in while performing division, binary division. Okay, that we'll discuss in next lectures. Okay. It will be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, and this one will remain same, and 0 will be placed here. Okay. Its symbolic representation is this is LSB bit, this is sign bit, okay. This is second last bit, there is D6 bit, if it is 8-bit register, and we have in between the bits, then it indicates shift right operation, and up to this. So this indicates arithmetic shift right operation. This is symbol of arithmetic shift right operation. Okay. Then sign bit is retained. sign bit is retained. Okay, clear, students? Any doubt? Any doubts, students? Okay. So let us do practice on RTL notations. I will give you some instructions, and you will write RTL representation of the given instructions of 8085 microprocessor. One is saying add H, move B, D. Then third is say RLC. Next is SUB, then say N. Fifth is ANLD. So next is INR H. Okay. Yes, please write symbolic RTL representation of the following of the given instructions.